This lesson is on decimal subtraction. Let's review place value. We have our ones and our tens as always, and we could go up further, but we're talking about decimals. So those are the places to the right of the decimal, the tenths house, the hundredths house, and the thousandths house. Just as in addition, when we're subtracting decimals, it's very important to keep our decimals lined up. We subtract and borrow or regroup as if the decimals are not there. Using graph paper to line up your numbers and your decimals is sometimes very helpful, so that's what we're going to do. It doesn't matter which box you choose, just so there are enough boxes to put all of your numbers in. Our first practice problem is 1.5 minus 0.42. Now you notice I don't have anything in this box. What I can do though is put a 0 there. It doesn't change the value of the number at all, but it lets me subtract. Now I'm going to borrow from the 5. I change it to a 4. Bring our 1 over here, and now we have a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring your decimal down into your answer, and your answer is 1.08, or 1 8/100. Let's do some more practice. Again, on graph type paper, let's write our numbers. 3.63 minus 1.45 equals 3 minus 5. Can't do that. Gonna have to borrow from the 6. I make that a 5. Bring the 1 in front of the 3. Make that 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Put our decimal in. Our answer is 2.18, or 2 18/100. Let's do some more practice. We have 4 7/10 minus 2 8/10 equals 7 minus 8. Again, can't do that. Gonna have to borrow from the 4, make it into a 3, bring that 1 over and make that 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. Put your decimal in. Your answer is 1 9/10. We'll do one more practice problem. We'll write our number in 78/100 minus 5/10. Now, just as I added a 0 in that first problem to subtract, I can add a 0 here. That makes it a little easier to think about what I'm doing. Doesn't change the value of the decimal at all. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 0, 0. Put your decimal in, and your answer is 28/100. Just keep those decimals lined up, keep your numbers in your place value lined up, and everything else is easy. That's the end of this lesson.